It's camera strap time. So I have the hipster strap right here. These are all, by the way, PGYTech straps, and I love them all. This hipster strap, when I go out, go to a wedding or something like that, I want to look cool and hipster, like with a Nikon 1. Then I pair it up with small cameras, right? Then for bigger cameras, like the AE6700, that's not super heavy, but still you still want adjustability and maximum comfort, because this right here is like a mouse pad on your shoulder. It's super soft, the material is nice, it doesn't cut into your neck at all. It's nice and flexible. I took this strap everywhere. I mean, went to Morocco, the Sahara Desert with this. But if you're going to carry a heavier load, like a bigger lens, similar to something like this, 28 to 75 by Tamron, but sometimes you want to carry a big gun like this, right? Because it's a Sigma 150 to 600. If you're doing bird shooting, you're going, you know, I don't know, you're looking for the Blue Angels or something. I'm glad PGYTech listened, because now there is the PGYTech Strap Pro. Just look at this color. Look at the beautiful brown. They also have a black color as well. I've decided that this is the one I want. What I love about the strap is, number one, PGYTech focus on comfort. They have really nice padding right here. It's almost like an air cushion perforated leather. Hopefully you guys can see through it to help dissipate the heat and the sweat and the grossness when you're out there doing your hiking. Biggest difference is that the Strap Pro is a single point of contact with 2 anchor points, and the regular strap is 2 points of contact for 2 anchor points. Essentially, you have a closed loop versus the regular strap is an open loop, and some people like this more because it's convenient. You can easily tuck this away. Or some people will like the Strap Pro version more because it's a closed loop. There's just no easy way for you to accidentally unstrap. For a bigger setup, you want to go with the PGYTech Strap Pro. So having a shoulder strap stabilizes it, so it's not slipping around. It's all about stability when it comes to heavier setup. The shoulder straps goes around like this, so you can just lift. It's just a clip system, and there's like a little rail right here, and you just clip it in. Boom, you hear a click, and then shoulder strap is set. Moving down, you see this little clip here. This shows again attention to detail. Did like an S loop right here, so you can just tuck it in to keep everything nice and neat. So moving on to the very bottom, this is your quick release system. Now it's a double-sided quick release system, so the anchor goes on one side and the other goes on the other. By the way, it does come with this quick release plate, and this is Arco Swiss compatible. So you just click it on one side, boom, you hear the click, turn it around, click it on the other, you hear a nice click. Boom, that's it. It's super secure. If you're using the original strap, you can put the anchors in different locations, like one here and then one down here, versus with the Camera Strap Pro, you will have to have your anchors in close proximity like this. Last but not least, the final feature I want to mention is the safety lock. Now it's not safety lock for the anchors, but the safety lock on the strap. It works by using a 2-button combo. So first you press down on the lock. There's like this little teeth that comes down to hold on to the strap. And you press this button one time, like this. Oh, there you go, and it locks it. The camera strap position is now locked. It won't wobble across your body. It won't slide around the strap. If I had to sum up this strap in one word, it will be stability. You have stability across your body, and you strap it across your shoulder, and you have full control and stability when you're carrying a camera, so it won't swing around, hitting your kids in the face, or worse, damaging your camera, right? Get your priorities straight. So camera strap right now on sale, originally 70 bucks, now is 56. So a heck of a deal. In fact, I think I'm gonna also check out the other version, which is like your double slinger version. Check out my link in the description below. I know PGYTech is doing a promotion right now on the website, or any type of discount codes I can find. I'm just gonna plop it in there. So check out the description. All right, guys, subscribe. Peace out. Later.